Welcome to Wales, a land of dramatic beauty. Rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see. Ancient forests whisper secrets to the wind. Here you can escape the hustle and bustle. Come and discover peace. Wales welcomes you with open arms. Its people are warm and friendly. The air is clean and fresh. Breathe deep and feel your worries melt away. This is a place to reconnect with nature. Wales offers adventure around every bend. Hike through breathtaking landscapes, explore hidden waterfalls and sparkling streams, discover quaint villages steeped in history. Let the beauty of Wales captivate you. It's time to wander, it's time to explore, it's time to discover Wales. Wales is a land painted in shades of green. Emerald valleys unfold between towering peaks. Forests cloak the hillsides in deep, verdant hues. This is a landscape that nourishes the soul. Everywhere you look, life flourishes. Wildflowers dot the meadows in a riot of color. Butterflies dance among the blossoms. Birdsong fills the air with sweet melodies. The air is alive with the scent of wildflowers. Heather carpets the hillsides in purple and pink. The aroma of pine needles hangs heavy in the air. Breathe it in and feel your senses awaken. This is a place of vibrant life, a place where nature reigns supreme, a place to lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world. Listen closely. Can you hear the heartbeat of Wales? It's the gentle rhythm of nature, the whisper of wind through the trees, the babbling of a mountain stream. The seasons paint the landscape in ever-changing colors. Spring bursts forth in a riot of green. Summer brings long, sun-drenched days. Autumn transforms the hillsides into a tapestry of golden red. Winter blankets the land in a serene silence. Snow-capped peaks glisten in the sunlight. Frozen waterfalls sparkle like diamonds. Each season offers its own unique beauty. Wales invites you to slow down, to reconnect with the natural world, to find peace in the rhythm of nature. Wales is a land shaped by time. Ancient ruins whisper tales of the past. Stone circles stand as silent sentinels marking the passage of centuries. Footpaths follow in the footsteps of generations. Walk these trails and feel the weight of history. Imagine the people who walked here before you, their hopes, their dreams, their stories. The past is woven into the very fabric of the land. Each trail offers a different perspective. Some wind through peaceful valleys, others climb to breathtaking summits. All offer a glimpse into the soul of Wales. Lace up your boots and step back in time. Discover the secrets hidden within these ancient hills. Let the trails of Wales lead you on a journey of discovery. Section 5. A Land of Stories. Wales is a land steeped in legend and lore. From the rolling hills to the misty valleys, every corner of this enchanting land holds a tale waiting to be told. Myths and folk tales are woven into the landscape, creating a tapestry of stories that have been passed down through the ages. These tales are not just stories, they are the essence of Wales itself. Every hill, every valley, every ancient tree has a story to tell. The whispers of the past can be heard in the rustling leaves and the flowing streams. If you listen closely and you might just hear them whispered on the wind. The wind carries the voices of ancient bards telling tales of heroism, love, and magic. Gather round a crackling fire and listen to tales of giants and dragons. These stories come alive in the flickering flames, painting vivid pictures in the minds of those who listen, of brave warriors and magical creatures. The legends of Wales are filled with epic battles and fantastical beings, each story more captivating than the last. These stories have been passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of Wales alive. They are a bridge between the past and the present, connecting us to our ancestors. Visit ancient castles perched atop rugged cliffs. These fortresses stand as silent witnesses to the history and legends that have shaped this land. Explore ruined abbeys shrouded in mystery. Each stone, each archway holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Let your imagination soar as you step into a world of myth and legend. In Wales, the line between reality and fantasy blurs, creating a magical experience for all who visit. In Wales, the line between reality and fantasy blurs. Anything is possible. The land itself seems to breathe with the stories of old, inviting you to become a part of its timeless narrative. Let the stories of Wales ignite your imagination and inspire your own adventures. Whether you are exploring the countryside or delving into the rich history, Wales offers a journey like no other. The true heart of Wales lies in its people. It's in the way they greet you with a smile, the way they make you feel at home even if you're miles away from your own. Their warmth and hospitality are legendary. From the moment you step into a Welsh village, you are enveloped in a sense of belonging. They're proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors. The stories of their ancestors, the traditions passed down through generations, all come alive in their words and actions. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. Whether you're in a bustling market or a quiet village lane, the people of Wales are always ready to chat and share a piece of their world with you. You'll find a warm welcome in the local pubs. These cozy havens are the heart of social life, where stories are told, laughter is shared, and friendships are forged. Enjoy a pint of local ale and listen to the locals share stories and laughter. Each pub has its own unique character, but the sense of community is the same everywhere. This is a place where strangers quickly become friends. The bonds formed here are strong and lasting, built on shared experiences and genuine connections. Experience the vibrant culture of Wales. From traditional dances to lively festivals, there's always something happening that brings the community together. Attend a local festival or event. These celebrations are a true reflection of the Welsh spirit, filled with music, dance, and a sense of joy that is infectious. Listen to traditional music and watch skilled artisans at work. The craftsmanship and artistry on display are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Wales. You'll be swept away by the passion and creativity. Every performance, every piece of art tells a story of a people deeply connected to their land and traditions. The people of Wales are the keepers of its stories, its traditions, its very soul. They carry forward the legacy of their ancestors with pride and honour. Take the time to connect with them and you'll discover the true meaning of Welsh hospitality. It's in these moments of connection that the heart of Wales truly shines. Wales is a land where history comes alive, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. Ancient castles stand guard over strategic valleys, their stone walls echoing with the stories of knights and kings. Roman ruins whisper tales of a bygone era, where legions once marched and emperors ruled. Medieval towns and villages transport you back in time, with their cobblestone streets and charming architecture. Step inside the walls of Caernarfon Castle, a fortress that has stood the test of time. Feel the weight of history as you walk through its imposing gates, imagining the lives of those who once defended it. Imagine the battles fought and the lives lived within its walls, each stone a silent witness to history. Explore the ruins of Tintern Abbey, a place of peace and reflection. Once a thriving monastery, now a haunting reminder of the past, shrouded in mist and mystery. Walk among the crumbling arches and imagine the monks who once worshipped here, their chants echoing through the halls. Every corner of Wales offers a glimpse into the past, from ancient stone circles to historic battlefields. Open your mind and your heart to the stories waiting to be discovered, each one a thread in the rich tapestry of Welsh history. Let history be your guide as you explore this ancient land, where every step is a journey through time. Wales is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. Challenge yourself to conquer Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales. Reward yourself with breathtaking views from the summit. For a gentler pace, explore the miles of coastline. Stroll along sandy beaches, breathe in the fresh sea air, discover hidden coves and marvel at the dramatic cliffs. Kayak along tranquil rivers or go whitewater rafting for an adrenaline rush. Go mountain biking through forests and over hills. The possibilities for adventure are endless. Wales invites you to reconnect with your wild side, to challenge yourself physically and mentally, to experience the exhilaration of the great outdoors. As your journey through Wales comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the beauty you've witnessed, the history you've uncovered, the warmth of the people you've met, Wales has a way of staying with you long after you've left. The memories of your adventures will linger, the desire to return will beckon. This is a place that captures the heart and soul. So until we meet again, Wales, may your hills forever be green, may your stories continue to inspire, and may your spirit of adventure never fade. Thank you for sharing your beauty with the world. We will be back.